After West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee made a complete U-turn, 24 Trinamool MPs will meet Prime Minister Manmohan Singh today. The MPs are now likely to only seek greater coordination between the UPA government and its allies. Remember, the TMC had backed off from its stand on the demand for a rollback of petrol prices yesterday.
Trinamool MPs arriving at the Delhi airport. They are set to meet the Prime Minister today after he returns from Europe.
देखिए, पहले से तो कुछ बोला नहीं जा सकता, लेकिन हम अपना ग्रीवांसेस बताएंगे. उसके बाद प्राइम मिनिस्टर से बात करके देखेंगे क्या होता है.
But indications are Mamata Banerjee's party has already backed off from their earlier demand of rollback of petrol price hike.
It is now clear that the Trinamool Congress will not force the government's hand on rolling back petrol prices. Rather, they will not even threaten the government of walking out in case they are not listened to. In the meeting with the Prime Minister, rather they will emphasize on better coordination and keeping the allies in the loop of important government decisions.
That would be a climb down from Trinamool's tough stand taken on Thursday after petrol prices were increased by 1 rupee 82 paise a litre.
যদি এইভাবে বোঝা চাপে তাহলে আমাদের সরকারের থেকে কোনো লাভ নেই আমাদের একজন ক্যাবিনেট মিনিস্টার আছেন 6 জন মিনিস্টার অফ স্টেট আছে তাদের তো কিছুই নেই
But Mamata now making a U-turn after finding little support from other UPA allies and the centre literally ruling out a rollback.
That's the general direction in which we should move. I think the move to decontrol petrol prices is a part of that process. But as I said, these are very sensitive areas, and I have no hesitation in saying that ultimately we must allow, I think, the markets to find their own level, except for those commodities which are in the nature of semi-public goods. So the direction of change is quite clear. We must move in the direction of decontrolling more and more prices.
For now, Mamata may have given up the rollback demand, but she might just be posturing to extract more concessions for her state. Bureau Report, Times Now.
Well, Jayanto now joins me live from New Delhi, where that meeting actually between TMC MPs and the Prime Minister will take place. Jayanto, initially it was touted to be the big game changer, but now this meeting seems more of reconciliatory with Mamata Banerjee already toning down. Of course, all of it does have a lot to do with the financial assistance that West Bengal is asking for.
Yes, indeed. It is quite a coincidence that today, when 24 of our MPs would be meeting the Prime Minister not to ask for a rollback of petrol prices, rather to seek proper coordination, as they call it, in the future, so that the allies are in the loop about important government decision. At that point of time itself, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee would be meeting the Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee in Kolkata, seeking more grants, more financial aid for her own state. But when we spoke to some of the Trinamool MPs, we were told that when Mamata Banerjee used the word that we cannot take this anymore and we have to decide whether to continue in the UPA alliance, what she meant was about the coordination, that she was not looking at a rollback. She is aware that there cannot be a rollback of petrol prices at this point of time. But what she meant was that she was looking forward to a better coordination committee which should meet regularly. In fact, what they are looking is at least 4 times in a year, so that all the allies sit together and all government decisions, important government decisions, especially which affects the common people, will be discussed before they are implemented. So at this point of time, no threat on the UPA that the Trinamool would be walking out, as it was clarified by the Chief Whip of the Trinamool Congress, Sudip Bandyopadhyay himself, to Times Now.
Right, also joining me on the phone line is Shambit from Kolkata. Shambit, as Jayanto was saying, a lot would depend on how that meeting between Pranab Mukherjee and Mamata Banerjee actually goes on in Kolkata. The state is asking for huge surplus to tide over the financial crisis.
Exactly. In fact, Mamata Banerjee, since coming to power, has been asking for a financial package from the centre, and she's been denied that, according to her. She has demanded in last 3 months at least 3-4 times to Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and also Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee, but she hasn't got that package. So many are seeing this pull-out state as a pressure tactics to build pressure on the centre to give her the financial package that she is seeking for last 5 months. And today she is going to present a proposal of the proposal of a financial package worth rupees 20,000 crore in front of Pranab Mukherjee, and many would, the decision of Mamata Banerjee will depend on the outcome of that meeting as well.